Hey guys, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2010 Kenworth T370. It is a CDL truck, 33,000 GVWR. It's got a Paccar PX-6, basically a 6.7 Cummins, 260 horse, Allison 3000 series automatic transmission, air ride seat, IMT Doninator2 bed, with an 8,600 pound crane. This truck has 95,000 miles on it. Right around 4,700 hours, so low miles and low hours, and being a 2010, it is a pre-def chassis. So the goal of these videos is to show you all the things you want to see if you're here looking at the truck in person. Got a nice weld deck right here. The entire bed was just refinished, sandblasted, repainted, new bed liner applied. Take a look under here at the chassis as well. Later on in the video, I will do a cold start, a drive, a crane and compressor demo on the truck. This truck has an underdeck mounted Vanair hydraulic compressor, PTO driven. And obviously the crane's PTO driven as well. I'll zoom out so you can get a better view inside the compartments here. Obviously this is your torch compartment here on the passenger side front. Crane body's dry, no rust really to speak of anywhere on it. Some shelving throughout. All the doors close, latch, lock properly. Workbench rear bumper, hydraulic outriggers. You have your one hose reel mounted up here. Nice thing about the compressor being under deck is saves a lot of your bed space as well. A little bit of surface rust here. Let me zoom in on that, on the inner seam there. Good rubber all the way around. Get a shot of the undercarriage down here. Again, if you need any other photos, videos, or information on this truck, feel free to call or text that 804-716-8487 anytime. Your body controller back here, outriggers in and out, up and down. Crane side outrigger moves up and down, in and out, and the driver's side is fixed. Factory IMT remote. Your oil cooler, your breather for the underdeck compressor. Got new Alcoas all the way around as well. All right, let's get into the engine startup and the crane demo, and we'll take a look at the cab as well. It's one hydraulic extension, and then the additional extension's a manual pull out. You have to pull the pin and pull it out. Maximum boom reach is 20 feet. Crane is super quick and smooth. No slop really in the rotation bearing whatsoever. It's run off a factory wired remote. We do have a wireless one ordered for it, just hasn't come in yet, but you can have both. Obviously the wireless is nice because you're not on the tether, but it's also nice to have a backup just in case. Once again, a 2010 Kenworth T370, 8,600 pound crane, 20-foot max reach, underdeck Vanair compressor. And if you have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. Thanks so much for watching.